Hello everyone, this is an ultra complete video on making phone case. In this channel, I will show you how to make a cream glue phone case step by step. We start by preparing a blank material phone case. The back material of the case should be hard, making it easier to manufacture and shape. Apply masking tape around the perimeter of the phone case. The camera area should also be covered. Trim down the excess parts. Now squeeze a little bit of special cream glue onto the case to create a base for the case. The technique of squeezing the cream glue needs to be practiced more, and it will be explained in detail in the following videos. Tilt the scraper at a 45-degree angle. Don't apply too much force. Smooth it out to the bottom. After use, be sure to wipe the scraper clean with a paper towel immediately. Remove the decorative tape along the edges. Peel it off. Dip a brush into some glitter and sprinkle it onto the phone case. This way, your phone case will shine brightly. Use a hairdryer to blow on the phone case to speed up the curing of the cream glue. Here we have the ruler to draw the shape we like. I prefer rhombuses. If you want a two-colored cream glue, put 2 different colors of cream glue into a new bag. Apply a little 502 glue where there is no base film, and then drop the cream glue will be more firm. Attach the special glue nozzle. There are many types of nozzles, and different nozzles can squeeze out different patterns. Then we put another plastic bag outside. Cut the front end a little, exposing the glue nozzle. This is to prevent the cream cheese from spilling out when you squeeze it. Squeeze out a little bit of cream glue with appropriate force. Look, the flower shape comes out like this. We're all wearing the same floral pattern around the camera. Similarly, squeeze cream glue around the perimeter of the phone case. Everyone has different tastes, we decide the flower patterns ourselves. Get out our playroom accessories. Drop 502 glue, then squeeze some cream glue. Then stick it on the phone case. Here is how to put the accessories. I've slowly collected all these accessories on Amazon. Let's quietly appreciate it together. This phone case is now complete. Just let it sit for another week or more so the glue can completely cure.